Alright, so our hamburgers are done. Now we're going to get our bacon off. Oh, took a swimmer with me. Put that there. Okay. Now we just turn this down. I have to take some of the grease off. I know we can't get all of it, but every little bit helps, right? Get some of that grease off, that grease of bacon. Okay. And now, put our bacon on our hamburgers. Yeah, look at that. There we go. That's gonna be good. And you know what? I'll just eat this piece. But of course, we got our secret ingredient. And our other secret ingredient. It's gonna make it taste even better. Oop. Not too much though. Ooh. Oh, it comes out strong. There we go. Put the bun on. And I guess that one's a little bit over toasted. But yeah, these look pretty good, man. Yeah, we got our spicy bacon burgers. Now at Aaron's for a limited time only.